I don't want peace. I want problems always.
You dey use your function to play. You dey use your generation to play.
He shot you.
Jesus! Jesus!
Who's supposed to be a Jesus?
Jesus
is Lord.
What be this? What be this? Jesus. Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
Jesus!
Some of you are just evil. Some of you are worse than Hitler.
That's what I do for you. Hey, blood of Jesus.
Say the eyes they pay me and they waiting me. What have I done with myself?
You dey bab.
Oh, sorry. Don't cry. Do it.
Will I rest my case? God day.
Let's be poor. Breathe. Don't suffocate them.
I hope you enjoy that Romy video. Please subscribe. Thank you. We love you. Bye.